You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, which is actually the name of this painting by Leonardo da Vinci, that is called Mona Lisa in Italian. So how do you say Mona Lisa in Italian? Well, it's either Mona Lisa or, more commonly, this one, La Gioconda. La Gioconda. Gioconda, if you want to learn how it's said in French, and if you're at the Louvre Museum in Paris, how you want to say it, I've got a video for you. But in Italian, Mona Lisa, La Gioconda. How to say Mona Lisa in Italian, La Gioconda. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.